That's insane. So hello people, this is Moscarblog. You are currently joining me in the BMW i5 M60 and let's now take it onto the Autobahn, measure its times and see how this thing performs with its 601 horsepower. I can't wait. Let's go. Oh my god, it's so fast. The sound, the boost. That's 200. That should be the measurement. Oh my goodness, I was so fast at 215. Like it's absolutely nothing. Listen to that. Whoa. Let's hit its top speed of 230. Let's go. 220. Now it's getting the power reduced. That's it. That's the top speed. That's it. 228, 229, complete power reduced. This car could go so much faster. That's 230, that's the whole power we have, the whole speed, the top speed. We did an absolutely insane 7.0 seconds, 7 seconds flat in the i5 M60. This is faster, a little bit faster than the M5 F90 competition. This is insane. I can't believe that we actually hit these speeds right now. This is insane. Oh, the pull is insane. Oh my goodness. Wow, this thing is crazy. Whoa! Oh my god! This is like driving a go-kart. What is this? This is crazy. Obviously, on the Autobahn, it doesn't feel as fast anymore. So if I press full throttle from like 170, I'm not going as fast as like from 100, but from like 100, it's insane. So people, let's measure another 100, 200 here. Full throttle. That's 200. It's so fast. And that's the top speed again. That's the top speed again, just like that. I need to brake here. Oh my god, brake, for God's sake, brake. Why are you in the left lane? It's a big car, definitely, especially when braking, you feel that. It's such a massive car, but the acceleration is so massive as well. It's absolutely insane what's going on in this big tank. To do something again here. Oh, there's a Taycan. Oh, there's a Taycan. Come on. That's something for us. What a punch. Need to get on the brake because it's so fast. Brake. The brakes are not the best. It's obviously a very heavy car, but it doesn't even come close to the ceramic brake of the M5 or the M5 and M8. They brake so well that literally supercar level of braking, but this here doesn't. Look at us flying at that Taycan. Okay, there he goes. Come on, give me that boost. We got him. Needed to get off the throttle. That's 220 again. The power is getting reduced. I reached the top speed again, just like that. This car is insane. But they did such a little top speed on it because of that range. And it's draining its range right now, honestly. It's just draining the range. Listen to that expressive sound. Listen to the expressive sound when I give it full throttle. Whoa! It's so funny. What I also like is that the sound is silent when I give it a little throttle. And if I give it full throttle, it's loud. So funny how they did all that, but I'm draining the battery. But when driving in a petrol car like this, you would also drain the fuel very, very fast. But you could drive over 230 with a 600 horsepower petrol car, and that's what I don't like about this car. But at least they gave us 230. Some manufacturers just give us 200. But the Taycan and the RS e-tron GT, for example, do 270. And if you want to see that RS e-tron GT, make sure to subscribe, because I've got a very special spec'd RS e-tron GT coming. It's literally a one-of-one maybe. So make sure to subscribe to not miss it. Let's measure another 100, 200 here, because we got some decent space. Let's do it. Boost, come on. Oh, what a punch. Come on, boost, do it for me. The boost is gone. But that's 200. Oh my goodness. And that's the top speed nearly again. This thing, wow. But kinda, you lose the fun kinda after doing this like 10 times. It's not, okay, well in a petrol car you also, you get used to everything basically. Maybe some naturally aspirating, screaming engine like, I don't know, 812 Superfast never gets boring. But this certainly does. But you have to view this car as a fast family car, not as a sports car. And for that, it's insane. We did an insane 100, 200 of 6.45 seconds. 6.5 seconds. 100, 200. This is supercars level fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I've measured 6.5 with the Huracan. I think. And oh my goodness, what is this?